Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki Mwah here. I am doing a neon type of look today. It's a neon eyeliner. If you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Press the bell to get notifications for future videos. This look is mom. And I'll see you guys next week. So we're gonna get right into this. I already washed my face, did my brightening soap. I also used a little scrub. Now I'm just gonna moisturize my face with my Mario Badescu Rose Water. And then now I am adding my Mario Badescu Moisturizer, which has sunscreen in it, which is really great for under your makeup, everyday makeup, even without makeup, wear sunscreen. Now I'm using my Pond's moisturizer just to help out and get my face all nice, and it's kind of oily, but it's okay. Then I'm taking the Airspun powder and I'm just going to set my eyebrows to get the oils out of there so we can draw eyebrows on. I'm just filling it in with a brown Wet n Wild pencil. My NYX eyebrow gel in the shade brown, and I'm using an angled brush just to fill in the front of my hairs, and then I'm just going to take my spoolie and brush all the product throughout my brows so that they're not too dark. My Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is still my favorite to use on myself, so I'm using the shade Deep to just conceal underneath my brows and on top. This is just going to give us a clean look. I am using a painter's brush, but it's not a cosmetic brush. It is a painting brush. It's a big, like, I guess you could say large angled brush. Top of my eyebrows, I'm going to actually use a crown brush. I don't know the number of the actual name of the brush, but it is a crown brush. I'm just gonna conceal the top of my brows. Time using this, however, it's my first time using it on myself. This is the P. Louise base in the shade number 2. I'm just putting it underneath the arch of the brow, mainly because I want it to be a highlighted area before the eyeshadow. It's also a good canvas for eyeshadows. I'm putting it all over my eyelids. That way my colors will pop. So I'm going in with this green right here. It's a matte eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and just pack it onto my eyelid. I'm going into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm I'm just taking another fluffy brush and packing it on top of that green, and then I'm going to buff it out a little bit. Yes, so this look came on like I just wanted my eyeshadow to match my nails, so that is the goal here, and we're gonna achieve it. Okay, so the next eyeshadow color is going to be white, so I want to use a white base. I'm going in with the P. Louise base in the shade 0, and 0 is white, and I'm just going to cut my crease now. So right now I am taking my Wet n Wild concealer brush and just making my cut crease. The progress. Eyeshadows matches the nails. Okay, now we're gonna do an eyeliner. It's not gonna be a wing eyeliner, so I'm just using my SC Stay Matte eyeliner. Eyeshadow pot. It's in the shade Banana Cake. All I had to do was dip my brush into water and then just mix it around in the pot and start applying my eyeliner. So this eyeliner was really tricky though. Like you see, it's not perfect. I ain't perfect, but it's still did what I had to do. Started to be extra. As you can see, I made that top line. Oh my god, and I started to get frustrated as well. Like it just was not working out. First of all, I can't see. I'm blind. I wear glasses, and so like to get a perfect line, it was just impossible. Especially this day, it wasn't working out. So I tried my hardest, and yeah. Just continue watching for the rest of the look. And just so y'all know, I am just very happy to be back doing my videos. This video will only be an eyeshadow video. There will be a part 2. So y'all stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.